Hello everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us discuss this question number 16. The equation of line is y equal to 3x minus 5. Write down the slope of this line and intercept made by it on the y-axis. And hence or otherwise write down the equation of line which is parallel to the line and which passes through the point 0, 5. So first you have given line as y is equals to 3x minus 5. We have to write down the slope. Okay, so I can say that compare it with y is equals to mx plus c. We can say that m is equals to 3 and c equal to minus 5. Okay, m is 3 and c is equals to minus 5. So this is slope and this is y-intercept. Write down the equation of line which is parallel to this line. So as the required line is parallel to given line, so as I will say required line is parallel to given line, therefore slope of required line is 3 and it passes through 0, 5. Therefore I will say equation of required line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Therefore y minus 5 is equals to m is slope of required line is 3, so it is 3 into x minus 0. So therefore y minus 5 is equals to 3x. This implies 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 is the required line. Simple question. You have given one equation, you have to find a slope and y-intercept. Now I hope that for any line you can find out slope and y-intercept. It is very easy, and you can also find out other equation of line, like here the slope is given same as the given line and it is passing through point 0, 5. So you can find out equation of the required line also. Now here 17th question is write down the equation of line perpendicular to this and passing through this. So I think you can solve this problem. Required line is perpendicular to this, that means you will first find the slope of this line, which you can say that is m1, and the answer which you will get is minus 3 upon 8. So the slope of required line can be written as m is equals to minus 1 upon m1. Okay, m into m1 is equals to minus 1. Therefore I can write like this, and this you will get as 8 upon 3. And as it is passing through minus 1, minus 2, so equation of required line we will say that this is y plus 2 is equals to 8 upon 3 into x plus 1. So that is 3y plus 6 is equals to 8x plus 8. So this gives you 8x minus 3y, that is 8x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so I have solved this problem in a shortcut way, but when you are solving, try to solve by complete solution, right, by showing all the steps. Now here 18th question is the line 4x minus 3y plus 12 is 0. meet the x-axis at A, write down the coordinate of A. And second, determine the equation of line passing through A and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So I will solve the first problem. The line meet the x-axis at A. Okay, that means I have to find the coordinate of A. That means I have to find out x-intercept. Okay, so what we do for x-intercept? For x-intercept, I will put y equal to 0. So therefore, I have 4x, I will put y equal to 0. So 4x plus 12, I will get 0. So this will give me the value of x as minus 12 upon 4, which is minus 3. So I will say, write down the coordinate of A. So therefore, coordinate of A, will be x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 0. So minus 3 comma 0. Secondly, I have to determine the equation of line which is passing through this point A and perpendicular to this line. So my second line is 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So here you can say that 3y is equals to 4x plus 12 and the value of y is 4 divided by 3x plus 12 divided by 3, that is 4 divided by 3x plus 4. So here you can say your slope m1 is 4 divided by 3. So therefore, slope of line perpendicular, this is the symbol of perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 is, here it is 4 by 3. So slope of line perpendicular to this is minus of 3 by 4. Okay, product of the two slopes should be minus 1. So if you multiply these two, you will get answer as minus 1. Now we know slope and we know point. Okay, so here determine the equation of line. So I will say that for a required line, you have slope is equals to minus 3 by 4 and you have point is minus 3 comma 0. Therefore I will say that therefore equation of line. Therefore equation of line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So therefore y minus y1, what is y1? y1 is 0 is equals to m. Now what is m? M is minus 3 divided by 4. M into x minus x1. x1 is minus 3. So this is x plus 3. So therefore here I have 4y is equals to minus 3 minus 9. So therefore I can say that this is 3x minus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation of line. 3x minus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Now here the 19th question is, find the equation of line that is parallel to 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0 and that passes through the midpoint of line segment joining the point 2, 7 and minus 4, 1. Find the equation of line that is parallel to this line and passing through the midpoint of line segment joining these 2 points. So first let us find the slope of 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. So here I will convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So I will say that 5y is equals to minus 2x plus 7. So y I will get as minus 2 upon 5 x plus 7 upon 5. So if I compare it with y is equals to mx plus c, I will get the value of m as minus 2 divided by 5 and the value of c is 7 divided by 5. But m is important to me. Now I will say I will take this point A as 2, 7 and B as minus 4, 1. I will say C is midpoint of AB. So then in that case I can say that C, the coordinate of C will be 2 minus 4 divided by 2, 7 plus 1 divided by 2. That is, I can say that C, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 upon 2 is 4. So the coordinate of point C is minus 1, 4. So therefore, I will say that therefore, equation of line with slope minus 2 upon 5 and passing through point minus 1, 4 is y minus 4 is equals to, now here m is 2 divided by 5, m into x minus of this minus 1, it will become plus 1. So that is, you have 5y minus 20 is equals to minus 2x minus 2. So that is, here I will say that 2x plus 5y and this is minus 18 is equals to 0. 2x plus 5y minus 18 is equals to 0. This is our required equation. Then this is question number 19th. Now let us solve one more question. Now here the question is, find the equation of line that is perpendicular to 3x plus 2y minus 8 is 0 and passing through the midpoint of line segment joining 5, minus 2 and 2, 2. Okay, let us see what 19th question was. Find the equation of line that is parallel. So here the line is parallel. So as the line is parallel, then slope remains same. In this problem, as the lines are perpendicular, then the product of slope is going to be minus 1. So accordingly you can find out the slope of required line and hence you can find the equation of line as it is passing through the midpoint of these 2 points. So here we know that if I will say that if m1 and m2 are slopes of two perpendicular lines, then you say that m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1, or directly you can say that this m2 is minus 1 upon m1. So this gives you direct slope of a perpendicular line when you know the slope of given line. Okay, so using this formula you can find out the slope and hence you can solve this problem. So try this problem yourself and solve it.